Today we're going to meet up with a friend and a subscriber. Love this guy. He helped us out in our time of need a couple of years back. Didn't even know us, just showed up to the location, helped us out.
And I saw they were stranded here in Little Rock and being in a biker community.
Yes.
I had to stop what I was doing to make sure they was okay.
That's love, brother.
Yes. We appreciate it. Yes.
That's love.
Love you guys.
Appreciate it.
Yes. Y'all take care.
And now we meet up with him today and sharing a lunch with him today.
Give Rich some lunch.
He just happened to be in his state. And we text each other. We're meeting up today. We're going to have a good time. Tell of the what?
Exactly.
Tell of the, oh man, we got to call him back. Yes, it is.
Those people roofs are in good shape.
We made it here in Hot Springs, Arkansas, meeting up with a friend to have lunch. We are walking down there, look, that's Bath Road. Walking down there to get our eat on.
Always good to see you.
Gotta go to the man right there. Gotta look at the chariot first.
Hey, how you doing?
Good, how are you?
Been trying, that's what we've been waiting for, about to get our eat on.
Okay.
Yeah, we park way down there. Hold it.
Off of Court
Get
Street.
some love first.
What's up, man? Good to see you, boy. Good to see you.
Always a pleasure, man.
I saw that when I saw that town. Yeah, we be talking about 20 miles away. 21
Yeah,
miles
about
away, out in, got the name of
Charlton
Charlton.
Campground.
Charlton Recreation Area.
Okay, y'all, here's where we having lunch at Rolando's. Right there. Right there. And we're going inside, cake, and been trying already seated. Just want you guys to see the inside as we coming in. It's nice to have a nice patio too. Connect the patio video that we took when Cake and I ate it before. But it's a nice restaurant.
Okay, I'm gonna grab y'all some chicken and salsa and I'll be right back with y'all.
All right, thank you.
you. I'm grabbing y'all some
Check this lookout point first. Of course, you guys probably know we're here in the fall. So look at all the beautiful colors. And that is Hot Springs down below.
Yeah, look at that. Look at that.
Yeah, picture them.
Look at that. Look at me.
Where y'all leave, y'all gotta check out the patio.
The patio? Where is it?
Patio be out back up there.
Oh, okay.
Can I go look at it now? I'm all excited to look at the patio.
Like during better weather, we have it open on the weekends. I mean, well, during the week we have it open too, but on the weekends we typically have live music.
Oh, really?
Yeah.
Things are good for weekends. Patios.
Chicks out back in the summertime or spring. Probably have to open back up. Like it.
Oh, I like it already. Haven't even made it all the way up. Oh, yeah. Yes, yes. Kids, y'all come to Arkansas, y'all gotta eat here. We're from California, baby. Kids, see this. Ooh, look at this. I'm just checking it out right now. Normally, he was telling me normally would be open with better weather. And even with the weather way around and look now, oh my God. I'm excited. Yes, yes. I am very, very excited. This is nice. So shoot, we might be coming back for dinner. We don't know.
Right there?
Yeah.
That building right there, that's where the first Superman movie was shot when he was on top of it.
Oh, you serious?
Yeah.
Wow. Say that again.
Yeah. So that building right across from us, that's where the first Superman movie was shot, and he was on top of the building up that way.
We're breaking stuff up in here. Ooh, I'm gonna tell mama. Chips and salsa has come.
They dropping beer off the wall over there. Don't drink and ride, people. Look at my quesadilla. Look how pretty that is. Shrimp quesadilla. Look at that. That is beautiful. What you got, babe?
Shrimp rice.
You went basic on us, huh?
Yeah, I just remember basic.
They said a big breakfast, so you did. But that's pretty. It make me don't want to eat it. It looked like a display on like a TV show or something.
Catch up for you, sir.
Okay, we just got finished eating cake. How was your meal? Was it good, okay, or excellent?
Nap time.
So I take it you liked it.
It was good. It was good.
Okay, I know you only just had a hamburger, but how was it? Good, okay, or just?
It was good.
It was good.
I recommend it.
You recommend?
I recommend it.
There you go.
It was
That's
good.
Rolando.
Yeah.
And mine was good. It wasn't excellent, but mine was good.
It was good.
Grab it. Y'all hear that? Uh-huh. What y'all know? What y'all know? All right, we all done for the day, meeting with our man, Ben Tron. What a wonderful day. He have to head back, and we have to head back. So